Good morning everyone. We are here for a project demonstration which is based on agriculture. This is our AgroSmart robot which performs 10 operations, that is plowing, pH testing, seeding, watering, soil moisture testing, temperature testing, crop disease detection, pesticiding, weeding, harvesting. So the entire model is shown. Let me first brief about the components used. With source board, pH sensor, batteries, relay, LCD, Wi-Fi module, microcontroller, ARM7 LPC2148, humidity sensor, USB to UART, temperature sensor, common board, weed chopper, sprinkler, blower, seed dispenser, laptop for image processing, the entire module with wheels and motors. So this is all about components and pin connections. Let us now get into agriculture field for the demonstration of the robot. So this is crop field. The operations are displayed on LCD. The first operation performed is plowing. The purpose of plowing is to turn over the uppermost soil, bringing the fresh nutrients to the surface. Here the robot moves. Next operation is performed is pH testing. After plowing, the robot tests for the pH value of the soil. The pH value indicates which type of crop is suitable for this type of soil. Now, the robot performs the main operation, that is seeding. According to the pH value is equal to 7. Here we can grow crop, ragi and crop. Here the robot moves. So these are the seeds which robot has plowed. After seeding, the robot needs to water the seeds. So now the robot is performing watering task. Temperature testing. Now the robot checks for the surrounding temperature using temperature sensor. These devices are used to measure temperature readings through electrical signals. The sensor reads the value which is 32.97 degrees Celsius, which indicates high temperature. Soil moisture testing. The moisture of the soil is detected using digital sensor. These sensors check the moisture content of the soil, which reads the value 652, which indicates low moisture content, and asks for the robot to on the water pump. Crop disease detection. The crop disease detection is done using. So now we will be discussing about image processing part. This is done using MATLAB. These are the supporting files of our project. In this we have two separate folders. First one is data, where we will store trained images. First 75 images are normal and the rest is abnormal, which is nothing but diseased leaf. Second one is data 1, where captured images will be stored automatically from the program. When we run the code, captured images will be compared with trained images, thus the result obtained. Let me now demonstrate the entire process. This is the entire code of the image processing. When we run the code, internal process is happening where camera is activated. So now we will demonstrate with different types of leaves. If the leaf is detected, it compares with the original image. So it displays object detected and compares with original data. The result is shown below, that is disease detected or not detected. This busy indicates the program is running internally. This process is done until for 10 iterations.
The characters A and B from the MATLAB for disease detection and disease not detection are transmitted to the controller using USB.
Herbiciding and pesticiding. If robot detects weed, then it sprays herbicide. If robot detects any damaged or diseased crop, then it sprays pesticide. The main purpose of using herbicide is to kill the weeds as they grow along with the crops. So the main purpose of using pesticide is to kill the insects which harms the crop. Here the robot moves. Weeding. As discussed earlier, these are the unwanted plants which grows along with the main plant. Let's start. So this is weed cutter which is used to remove weeds. The last operation performed by the robot is harvesting status. The robot detects whether the crop is ready for harvesting or not using image processing. The status of harvesting is shown in the LCD. So this is all about our demonstration video. And these were the operation performed by our AgroSmart robot. Working video. AgroSmart. Now the robot is performing flowing operation. Robot stops and checks the pH level which indicates 7, and now seeding operation is performing. Operation is performing. Crop field monitoring system. It shows temperature 29.71 degrees Celsius as normal temperature and moisture content 697, which ons the water pump. It is waiting for a disease description. No disease detected, so the crop is ready for harvesting. If disease is detected, then pesticide sprayer is on and weed stopper is on and is ready for harvesting.